Hi friends, I'm glad to welcome you on this channel. And in this video I will show you and tell you how you can disable someone's stories in Instagram. Friends, please write your comments, be sure to put likes, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. Please open Instagram on your phone. Next, in order to disable other people's stories, go to that person's profile. And here, in the subscription section, click and go to this option here. Next, select what you would like to disable. In our case, it's stories. So, in a very quick and easy way, you will disable this person's stories on your Instagram. Friends, this is the quick and easy way you can disable someone's stories on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful, that it helped you. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.